Hey there, I'm James, co-founder of WP Compress, and today I'm going to show you how we can get your websites loading faster, ranking higher, and converting better, all on complete autopilot. To get started, create an account at app.wpcompress.com. Whether you're an agency or an individual user, you can effortlessly manage image optimization across all of your websites right within the WP Compress portal. Let's get started by adding our first website. For a personal website, simply toggle credit sharing to use credits from your main account. For clients' websites, you can select an image quota that resets monthly. This is a great add-on for existing maintenance plans, and with autopilot mode, their new images will be optimized daily, all without you having to lift another finger. Think of it as a fully managed solution where you get to take the credit for faster loading client websites. Once you've linked your website with the Quick Connect wizard, you can configure your settings either within the plugin or remotely. It's fully synchronized between the plugin and the portal. You could change things such as optimization level, resize settings, or complete remote actions such as bulk compressing or restoring all images and changing your autopilot settings. Then you may optimize individual images, bulk compress all images, or let autopilot kick in and take care of all of it for you without you having to lift another finger. You can view compression reports on a site-by-site basis or as an overview of all linked websites. If at any time you have questions, we're here and happy to help. Simply reach out to live chat support on the website and we'll walk you through anything that's needed. So what are you waiting for? Go get started today and see how easy it is to get your websites loading faster, ranking higher, and converting better, all on complete autopilot.